Hi guys, it's Bronwyn with Big Sky Diamond Painting here, and if you haven't already guessed, it is time for another Diamond Art Club unboxing. This I got with the coupon for doing the Ruby member survey, and all I'll say is that I guess depending on the outcome of the survey, there may be some fun stuff coming our way. I just got one painting because it was only like a $10 coupon. So, you know, I decided I wanted this. Story behind this is that I saw the finished Nightbringer and I said, wow, 310 looks really good in large amounts as a background. And I think that I might, you know, be willing to power through it for such nice looking stuff. So what we have is the last unicorn. Yeah, I'm going to be living that 310 life for a little while. You can see that. It is another square. I'm a little worried about the squares, but we'll just trust that Diamond Art Club is gonna look beautiful no matter what. So, oh, we got one of those wedged kits in there. Same old kit. Got the wax pads, blue squishy, clear tray, 3-placer. Same old. If you need to see a full Diamond Art Club kit, I'm sure you can find an unboxing even on my channel. Check out my first Diamond Art Club unboxing, possibly even my second. I promise you'll find a breakdown of what the kit is. So, I am going to, oh yes, a strip. Love the strip. I heard they're going to start including like actual stickers, but I just run this through the Xyron sticker maker, and I've done it twice, and it's worked really well. So, pretty excited about doing that. And we're just going to roll this backwards. And this is a nice, like, small size one, which I think is important because if you've seen my videos lately, I've got a couple huge ones, and I'm definitely feeling it. So, this is the last unicorn. It is, what size is it? It is 32 by 36. So it's not quite square, but it's almost there. And it has 25 colors, which I think is actually a lot considering how few colors it looks like it has. But, you know, we have this big swath of black, and then this nicely shaded red moon, I guess, and then the unicorn, and this little pool or whatever it's standing in. So this one I will get the colors out because why not? I'm just doing this one painting for this video, and oh, we got an open bag. That's not good. Where'd it come from? Oh, okay, so they didn't, looks like they didn't put the seal between these two bags. So I am guessing, nope, that's where it's coming from, is right in there. So let me get out some baggies. Actually, is that going to be big enough? Yeah, I can fit one of those in there. Okay, we're going to do some surgery. We're going to carefully cut this here. Is that where they're coming out? Yeah, that's definitely where they're coming out. Okay, and then we're going to cut this here. And we are just going to slip this. And by slip, I mean force, apparently. I'm going to have to put that in there. And we will take our tray out too There is a red straggler in there, so I'm going to have to be careful with all of them to see. Oh, of course, they're just going everywhere. I tried to be so careful. Well, they're not going back in this bag, so we're just going to rip that bag. Alright, so there's our red straggler. Well, this is definitely my first DAC that had open bags in it. It's okay though, because baggies to the rescue. This is why I like when they include baggies, even if I don't generally use them. I like to have them there for accidents like this. And I do. I mean, I shouldn't say don't generally use them. I don't kit out of them or anything, but I do in fact use the baggies faux show. Okay, and it doesn't look like there's actually any leaking here, so we'll set that aside. Y'all know what 310 looks like. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags of this size of 310. And then we have that kind of deep blood red color, and then a slightly less deep blood red color, and another slightly less 939 with some random lime green straggler in there that keeps coming in and out of focus. Oh, one of these red ones is leaking. Which one is it? It is 489, and it looks like we might have another leaky black one. We do. Okay. Oh boy, DAC, what is happening with this kit? I feel like I saw another video for a last unicorn that was doing this same exact thing. So there must have been some sloppy stuff going down. No, oh my god, are they all like this? They're all like this, okay. So this, oh boy, okay. I'm gonna see if I can fit 2. Two packs of 310 in one bag. Because I really don't want to have to I mean, look at that. Look at those just leaking out while I'm putting it in the bag. Jesus. DAC, what is happening? Just kidding, I love you. Alright, so gently put you aside. Gently slide you over. Gently throw these 310s in the tray. Oh, we lost one. This one, we'll get it back in here, see. Oh my goodness gracious. I think those are all 310s. I don't think they're 939s. Yeah, they all look like 310s. Okay, so we're going to put them in here. Seal the baggie. Seal the baggie. Now I'm actually going to, I finished filming another unboxing, and I'm going to dig into these kits because I think the baggies might actually be bigger. think they are. Just gonna steal, cannibalize some baggies. All right, so now they're the same size, but it doesn't matter because it's good to have more baggies out. All right. Yeah, so if you can't see what happened, basically they're all tearing right there on this string. We're going to check the next string to see if it's the same thing is happening before I get pulling them out. But I've never seen that. It's almost like that strip got folded weird and everything just got creased and ripped. Okay, so I think, okay, that looks like that's all those deep red ones. Okay, and the thing about, I'd forgotten about this, but the thing about the baggies that come with the Leisure Arts kits is they don't seal great, which is not awesome, but okay, so this one, yep, see, that one's torn too. So luckily nothing's fallen out of this one, but we're going to put it in here before anything does. I mean, they seal okay, but it's hard to get them to press together right. Alright, so let's, yep, that one too. Yep, and that one. Wow. I'm really, really super glad that I had the extra baggies up here from filming previously, because that really would have been a pain in the butt if I had to go downstairs to get my baggie stash. Like, I'm a lazy person. No, I'm not lazy. I just, digging through all that and when I'm trying to film, like, that would have been really frustrating. Okay, so let's carefully look at this one. All right, and I don't see any breakage on this one. There's a stray black one. Yeah, no breakage there. This one, yeah, no, that one's intact, intact, intact. Okay, yeah, so all of these are fine, which is good because I didn't want to have to mess with these. Okay, so we'll just show you the rest of the colors. And we'll flip this over so it's not causing focus issues. Alright, so there's a nice, pretty red, orange, and some white. Kind of a nice orange and another orange, and a peachy. That probably shows up way yellow on the thing. That's kind of a light peach. And a tan color. Sort of brownie orange, 823, dark blue, 550, purple. Ooh, that's a pretty coral color. Probably shows up more orange to you guys, but it's pretty nice. And light tan, very, very light peach. And a peachy color, that pretty raspberry that I like so much. And sort of a nice peachy color. Darker peachy color. That's kind of a lighter raspberry. and a darker blue, and a darker purple. So, yeah, I think this one's going to turn out pretty good. And despite it having so much 310 in it, I still think it's going to go pretty fast because it is, you know, like I said, it's fairly small. So, I'm looking forward to doing this one. As always, very sticky. And I'll show you the drill field. I mean, you guys are probably like sick of seeing all this, but it's super clear. I never have a problem. I mean, I can do diamond art clubs without a light pad with no issues, even with weird symbols. So I don't anticipate having any problems. I might even make this like a work project just because it looks so nice. And then once I finish it, I might frame it or I might give it away. I don't know. I'm not like super attached to it, but I am excited just to do it. Alright, I think that's it for this one. Like I said, I just had the one. I have no more coming from Diamond Art Club until they release more that I really, really want. If you guys liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment. Tell me what you think of the 310 Life. And also tell me if you've had this problem with Diamond Art Club drills just being everywhere before. Feel free. And if you like this video and want to see more, you can subscribe to my channel. And if you want to get notified whenever I upload a new video, just hit the bell after you subscribe. This, again, has been Big Sky Diamond Painting, and I will catch y'all on the flip side.